Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from BodyCamPOV, and the title of the video is Extremely Unhinged Ex-Wife Moves into Husband's House Doesn't End Well. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here, man. It's always bad relationships, you know? The relationships was good and then they go sour, man.
You're going to jail. Turn around.
What are you? I got cancer, and you put your hands on me. Put your hands on me.
Okay. Are you done?
On October 2nd, 2022, officers were dispatched in reference to an ex-husband and wife. Apparently, they moved in together, but somehow that's not working out. Who could have guessed that?
How's it going, man? It's going?
Yeah.
Could you tell me what's going on?
I'll give you a short version of the long. This is my ex-wife.
Okay.
We were married over 30 years ago.
Okay.
We have 2 kids together.
Right.
We got divorced. I've been married 3 times.
Okay.
So, like I said, this is my first wife.
All
right. She's gone through cancer and stuff, and so I was in the process of buying a home, so I figured I'd buy a home here and move her in so she could be settled.
Mm-hmm.
We were here since February the 2nd of last year.
Okay. Living together?
Yeah.
Okay.
I moved her in and stuff. This has been that way since then.
Okay.
She hadn't done anything with it or whatever. About 2 months after we moved in, she started these ranting, raving, and all the kind of stuff about stuff happened 30 years ago.
Okay.
So now, at that point, I cut her off. I said, I'm not going to support you. I'm done.
Right.
Because you want to belittle me about something that happened 30 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
My life and thinking she did too was the reason I did what I did.
Right.
But every day for hours she rant and rave about crap.
Okay. What's she saying? Is she making any threats towards you?
Yes, she is making threats.
Okay. You know what, like, be specific in those threats. What is she saying?
You don't care about no human being. Because you didn't take care of goddamn 2 children. You ain't never been a husband. You ain't never been a father. You ain't never been a papa or a hoe in the street of panic. Get started like I told you. And leave my alone. God changed you not from the goddamn door to these start cutting your feelings with your duck. Your big brother right over here. Brother good. Got more titties than they have something I got.
I've been sitting out here. She'll come out, do this ranting, raving, go back inside, come back out. At one point, she grabbed a knife, threatened me with the knife.
Okay.
She said, I'll cut you up, I'll do all these things.
Is that in the recording?
Say again?
Is that in the recording?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when she did that and said that she was going to cut you and you, what was your response? Like, did you fear for your life?
I said nothing.
Okay.
But do you think she would actually go through with it? Were you in fear of any kind?
The answer is yes. Pay attention. Pay attention when cops ask you certain questions, okay? She threatened you with the weapon. Were you in fear for your life? The answer is not, I didn't say anything. The answer is yes. I was in fear. She has the capabilities to do this act. That's the answer.
Of her actually harming you?
When you say fear, when I was stationed in Louisiana, she shot me.
Okay.
So she is violent.
So you believe that she would act? You said, "I'll cut
If she got an opportunity and think she could get away with it, yeah."
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you felt like she would have gone through with cutting you and causing you harm?
Yes.
Do you have any idea where the threat? You said it's in the audio. Do you have that where we can hear it?
Big fat bubble. Low that ass. Dirty low that bitch. Why you snapping? You fucking up. Half. Yeah, damn, low that ass.
So this goes on for hours.
Well, the main
Okay.
thing I'm looking
Yeah.
for is that threat. I need some corroboration for the threat. Is she saying
Yeah.
care? It sounds like she's saying I care.
No, she said kill.
Hold on. If you don't mind, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to just take that out of here.
You don't care about no human being. If you didn't take care of got 2 children, you ain't never been a husband, you ain't never been a father, you ain't never been a papa, a hoe in the street, a paddy. Like I told you, and leave my alone. Not changing locks on your goddamn door so these will start coming in here stealing with your big bubble bright bubble head, bubble good ass.
While he's listening to that, do you have your license on you by chance? Okay. Thanks, sir.
I have several recordings of it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get back to wherever we were because I'm a minute in and it went all the way to the start.
Why don't you stay with them
There's that
bitches?
back thing. Has there been alcohol involved?
Yes, she drinking.
Okay. Is there anything else involved?
I don't know.
Okay.
Why don't you get your stay?
And she's still home right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll go on like this, and then all of a sudden she'll go in her room and lock the door, and more hear this thing. Then all of a sudden, start up again.
Damn, low down. You the evilest piece of thing. You fat nasty. Oh, big fat nasty, dirty low down piece of shit. You fucking fat. Boy, say it still. Hell, you're a demon. Like I said, you're a demon. You're an evil entity. You ain't no human being. You're a monster. That's what your ass is. You're a monster. And you've been a monster ever since I met you when I was 17, when I was 14 years old.
Yeah,
Married you when I was 17. Wish I never met you in this lifetime. Wish I never met you. Never. Go there. 75 degrees up in this house and I'm trying to damn sleep. I'm up in pain, my mouth hurt, everything hurt. You run around here, you washing a goddamn car. You won't even buy food for me. What the you bring me over here for? You want to buy me food, but won't buy me a meal. Why don't you bring me over here? Get the out of my life. You ain't paid no price for it. I took care of me, Kishin here. I worked 2 or 3 jobs. You big fat oh, low down you. You low down stinking, stupid piece of shit. You hellion. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. That matched my car. My car wasn't like that when I moved here. My car was leaking nasty. And I'm broken my goddamn gas tank. You did that shit. You big fat that low down ass dog. If anybody coming in this house, you stealing all this shit. You taking all my stuff. If anybody coming in here, you doing it. You hell fat red ass piece of shit. You ain't shit. Nothing. Shit on the stick. What they call in the jail. Shit on the street. You mother fat red piss low. I'm gonna get me a damn lawyer and make you pay for passport when I get out this house.
Which was one that you thought she said something? Because it sounds like she said, you don't care, I care.
With your lying I can't at you. I hate you. You better get clean up. Get the I like I got face. With your lying I can't at you. I hate you.
I couldn't hear it. He was on the radio. Did you hear it? What did it say?
It's cool.
Okay.
Get the I like I got face. With your lying I can't at you. I hate you.
And so while she's saying that,
Did anything ever get physical? Did
No.
she ever touch you?
no,
Did you ever touch her?
no. So she's standing in the doorway,
With a knife. Okay.
with a knife. All right.
She still have that knife?
Yeah.
She have access to any of the guns?
No.
No.
Now we talking. That was literally 5 minutes of the video. Barely getting to the point of her saying, you know, what she said. But why did he just show the photo in the beginning, okay? Yeah. Come on, man. You got the cop sitting there for a whole hour to read this, to listen to this goddamn recording, and that ain't even... Barely. You know, you could barely hear her say it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But to go along with the photo, yeah, we can see you clear as day now.
I have a gun safe.
She don't know the code too?
No, I have a key to it.
Okay. Key.
Right.
No other key.
No other key.
Okay. Is she gonna be confrontational with us?
Probably not. This goes on, and if she gets a phone call, her demeanor changes automatically.
Okay. Well,
she's a different person.
I have enough. I don't even need to really talk to her.
Yeah.
We can, just to try to keep it amicable. We'll make sure we get her side, but that's enough for me.
Yep. You know where she's gonna be at in the house? In her room?
In her room, she has a bedroom.
What's her name?
Phyllis.
Phyllis what? Do you happen to know her date of birth?
57.
All right, hold on, wait, back up. Phyllis, can you come out and talk to us? Yes, ma'am. Come talk to us. Get off the phone. Come talk to us. Okay.
Hey.
Then we'll go in and talk to you. All right.
No.
All right.
Ma'am.
You're not going to talk to us?
No.
All right.
I got no reason to talk to you.
Okay. 10 minutes.
Got
Ma'am.
no reason to talk to you.
Okay. Can you stand up, please?
No, I'm not standing up.
We just want to, ma'am, we want to talk to you.
I'm not standing up.
Okay.
I got cancer, and you put your hands on me. Put your hands on me.
Okay. Well, here's the thing.
I got cancer.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Makita, call Michael. Call.
Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am, put the phone down.
Stop.
Makita.
Stop.
Makita, you see that?
Ma'am, put the phone down.
Ma'am, I really don't want to have to do this.
I have done nothing. What are you?
You're going to jail. Turn around.
What are you? Let me call my brother. Let me call my brother.
No, you're going to jail.
I'm not going no jail. Let me call my brother.
You're just going to catch another charge.
Oh!
Are you done?
Oh!
Ma'am.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Stop. Stand up. I do not want to have to force you to walk. Be a grown human and walk.
Ma'am.
1095. Would you like to walk? Okay. I'm 10-4. She just can't be a grown human. We're 1095. Stand here. I'm not playing games. What do you have on you?
All right. Let's go this way, ma'am.
Hold on. Are you done? All right, get her in the car. Let's go. Turn around.
Turn around.
Sit in the car. I'm not dragging you through it.
Put your feet in the car.
It amazes me when like old people act like this. It's like, yo, all right, you expect the young ones to be acting all wild and stuff, but come on, man. You too old to be acting like this now. Honestly, you are too old to be acting like this, man. Come on.
Ma'am, put your feet in. All right, she's in. She is now in the vehicle. We're about to be going to 600.
She don't need that.
Yeah.
This is her phone. You have the other phone in the back, correct?
Other 2 phones, yes.
Yes.
You put my phone. Then you got my phone on that car. Right there.
Is it still in the trunk?
But you have my car.
It is, yes.
On that trunk.
It's in the trunk?
In
Okay. Phyllis, do you have 2 or 3 phones?
Why?
I just...
What difference does that make?
Okay,
What
whatever.
difference does that make? Okay? What difference does that make? You don't have to worry about it. And anyway, one of those phones is not working. If they and if they mind, they mind. Okay? Keep on calling. Because I got a brother that's U.S. Marshal. I'm gonna call him.
Did you get his info?
I did, yep.
Nothing to this man. I've been asleep. I was out there on the phone talking to my daughter. I have done nothing to this man.
Okay, you have your phone. I'm just making sure that she has hers, that you have yours. That is it. All right.
I'm telling you, making a mistake. Making a mistake.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. What did y'all ain't read me my rights? You ain't said nothing to me. Okay? You don't have, I'm telling you.
You only get red rights if they about to question you. You don't get red rights if they ain't gonna question you about the case.
And then let me use the bathroom. I'm done, and I peed on myself. This doesn't make no sense. The way you Jake my arms up like that. And I told you I had counsel. You ain't trying to talk to me. You don't tell nobody to step out no door for what? This man is crazy. Man, come over here and took me out my house and put me in that house. Then I didn't move over there.
Well,
I don't
she's
wanna
on
be over there
audio
with him no more. I'm tired.
saying, I'll
I
you,
tell you when he
and
put his
she's
hands
got a
on
photo
me,
of her holding a knife.
And I didn't call the police with his punk.
Heavy smoke, center island, right before North Ave, on the inner loop. It'll be 2 spots. It'll be right at the ramp going on to North Ave and just past it. They're probably going to have an easier time going to the outer loop depending on where they come from.
All right, ma'am. Gonna have to step out. We're walking right over to this door.
That time you talk to people like you got a voice and like you know how to talk to people rather than snatching them around.
The suspect was booked for simple assault, family violence, terroristic threats, and acts and obstruction of Leo. What do you think about this?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.